Very good evening to my dear students. Wish you happy Republic Day. Hope all are doing well. Very good evening to my dear students. Hope all are doing well. Please join the session as soon as possible, everyone. Please join the Arvind. Very good evening and happy Republic Day. Wish you happy Republic Day. My audio and video is clear to everyone. Those who are joined the session, please mention your name, okay, and hit the like button. And please share the link among your friends as soon as possible, okay. जल्दी जल्दी सब लोग जुड़ जाइए जल्दी. Those are present in this class, please mention your name. Please mention your name. My audio and video is clear to everyone. Any problem regarding this? Good evening, Ankit, Arvind. Okay. So those are sitting in this class, please mention your name and join the session as soon as possible. Okay. Please mention your good evening, Ankit. Please mention your name. We are waiting another 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. After that, class will be start. So before going to the MCQ series, if you have any doubt, any query regarding this session, so you may ask. Okay. If you have any doubt, any query regarding any particular session, so you may ask now. Yes, good evening, Shapam. Good evening, Sai Tarun. My audio and video is clear. I think there is some issue or buffering. Any issue? Okay. So, shall I start the class? Everyone, shall I start the class? Yes or no? Everyone is ready for MCQ series? Yes or no? Just type yes or no. Hi Tarun, Ankit, Sapam, everyone. Shall I start the MCQ series? So, this is the first question about this session. Okay. Scale at elevation point in a photograph can be given as scale at a elevation point in photograph can be given as option A, B, C, D are here. Please comment everyone. Okay, everyone, try to answer. Keep answering, everyone. Keep answering. Okay. Yes. Everyone is the right. Sai Tarun, Arvind, Ankit, Arya Ravinder, and Sakti also. Okay. So scale at any elevation point can be given as equal to, because yesterday class we have learned about this. Okay. So scale equal to focal length divided capital H minus small h. Okay. Thank you. This is the very short question. Then go to the next question. A aerial photograph of a area having a average elevation about 1500 meter is taken at the scale of 1:50,000. The focal length of the camera is 15 centimeter. Then altitude of the flight above mean sea level in meter. Please tell me everyone, calculate everyone. A aerial photograph of an area having an average elevation 1500 meter and is taken at the scale 1:50,000. The focal length of the camera is 15 centimeter. The altitude of the flight height above mean sea level. Okay, Shafam. Anyone? Please try to answer everyone. Please try. Please try to everyone. Okay, Sai Tarun. Okay, 2150 meter. So let's check the answer. Let's check the answer. So answer is a aerial photograph uh, given a 15 meter taken at the area have average elevation of taken at the focal length of the altitude of the flight of mean. So can anyone describe me? We know scale equal to focal length by h minus a. Okay. So the altitude of the flight above mean sea level in integer. Okay. So here asking the altitude of the flight above mean sea level. So here question asking about the this value. Okay, altitude above mean sea level, because this value plus this value. So s equal to f h minus h. So here we don't know about the a value of a. So scale equal to 1:50 divided by f is how much? 15 centimeter. Okay, so 15 centimeter 15 divided by how much? The having average elevation of 1500. So here you need to find the h value. Okay, so after getting it, yes, 2250. Yes. So shall I go for next question? Already about know that how what is the procedure without any delay the time. Yes or no, or anyone need to explain, because I have already discussed in so many classes. Okay, so here provided area of average elevation is taken at the scale of focal length camera, the altitude of the flight above the mean sea level. Okay, टोटल वैल्यू तो आपका एच का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा, तो इसके प्लस टोटल कर दोगे तब जाके वैल्यू आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 1500 प्लस आई थिंक 750 होगा एच का वैल्यू. तो 2250 इज आंसर. देन गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Image transformation technique generate a new image, modify the original dataset, does not generate a new image. None are correct. Please tell me everyone. Image transformation technique generate new image. Tapam, Ankit, Arya, Shaitarun. Image transformation technique generate a new image, modify the original dataset, does not generate a new image. None are the correct. Okay, modify the original dataset. Shaitarun. Anyone? Those are sitting in this class. Anyone? Anyone? Okay. Okay, Shravani. Okay. Anyone? Ankit. The option A is right. Okay. Generate a new image. Image transformation is a technique. Generate a new image. Modify the original dataset using resampling. Resampling. Okay. Using resampling. Yes, Swapam. Yes. Generate a new image. Does not generate new image. Nothing. One of the correct. So, right answer is here. Generate a new image. Why image transformation and technique? Anyone? So, image transformation typically involve in manipulation of multiple bands of data. Manipulation of multiple bands of data, because we know the image can be panchromatic or multispectral. Whether from a single multispectral image from two or more images or the same area require different times. That is temporal image data. Either way, image transformation generated new image from two or more sources which highlight particular feature properties of interest better than the original input image. So, one is image subtraction, spectral rationing and principal common component analysis. This is the three technique for the image transformation. Image subtraction means, anyone? Image subtraction means, suppose you have a image. Okay, this is 10 into 10 kilometer image. Okay, but you are interested only your study area, that is maybe 5 into 3, 5 into 3 kilometer, that is called the image subtraction or clipping. Okay, or snap raster. Then spectral rationing. Spectral rationing means now to identify any particular feature like a NDVI, that's time, and NDWI, EVI, NBR, all about the spectral rationing. Because whenever you have something like I have put rate by NIR, this is also a spectral rationing. Okay, so NDVI, NDWI, EVI, NVI, all are spectral rationing. Then principal component analysis. This is the part of image transformation. So, what is the principal component analysis? Okay, suppose you have a two band like a band NIR and like a band rate. Okay, so what happened? Suppose you have a image, there is the value in the different band like a blue, red, NIR. So, rate or NIR, suppose rate is 20, NIR 150 and 30, 170, 80, 120. This type of a value are there. So, what happened? At first you plot the data NIR rate. Suppose there is plotting the data. Okay, there is the plotting some data. Here also plotting some data. So, this is called the principal component analysis by the spectral purity. Okay, then go to the next question. So, like a image subtraction. Okay, you have seen 1985, this is the Landsat 5 and 2015 Sentinel-2. So, what we say? Now, we have say lot of area, okay, in urbanization. Urbanization is developed in the forest area. Okay, So image subtraction here is 1985 a Landsat 5 and 2016. So you have also changed the detect 1985 by 2016 equal to how much here? 15 plus 16. So 31 years changes. Then go to the next question. Spectral rationing. So NDVI formula already know. The value ranges from -1 to +1. Negative value to mean no green leaves. If the NDVI value is minus 0.01 minus 0.1, so there is no value closure indicates the possible density of green leaves. Okay, then go to the principal component analysis. So image transformation technique based on complex process of the statistical characteristic of multi-band dataset. Yes, so suppose there is multi-band, to reduce the data redundancy and correlation between band, one are called the principal component analysis. The objective of this transformation is reduce the dimensionality, that is number of bands in the data, and compare such a much of the information original bands into fair bands. Okay, so here you have seen eigen number and eigen value, already discussed in previous classes what is eigen value and eigen number. Okay, so here you have seen there is a different type of principal component analysis. Okay, shall I go for next question? So unsupervised algorithm cluster is a two-step process, iterative method. Split and merge algorithm allow for splitting of cluster. Unsupervised algorithm cluster is a two-step process, iterative method. Split and merge algorithm allow for splitting of the cluster. Anyone? Those are sitting in this class. Tapam, Ankit, Shravani, Shakti, Saitarun. Okay, allow for splitting of cluster. Anyone? Anyone? Those are sitting in this class. Okay, 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 okay. Yes. The correct answer is all the above. Okay, I have forgotten to mention this is the MSQ. Okay, so unsupervised algorithm cluster is a two-step process. Yes, at first we have segment the image after grouping the pixel according to their characteristic. This is right. This is also iterative method. Yes, whenever you have going to the image classification method, that time asking about unsupervised classification, how many you need to iterate? 10 times, 8 times, 5 times. Yes, split and merge algorithm. Yes, this is the two-step process. At first what happened in unsupervised classification image? At first image split according to the data, after that grouping the pixel by their unity or uniformity. तो क्या है, सपोज इमेज है, इसका अंदर क्रॉपलैंड है, वाटर बॉडी है, वेजिटेशन है, समथिंग है, ठीक है. तो एट फर्स्ट क्या है, सारा को स्प्लिट करेगा. स्प्लिट करने के बाद अकॉर्डिंग टू क्रिएट ए ग्रुपिंग पिक्सल. ओके, allow for splitting of cluster. So all of the above. Okay, so all the above is the right answer. Okay, all the above is the right answer. Two-step process, B iterative method, splitting and merge algorithm allow for splitting of cluster. Okay, understood everyone? Then go to the some discussion about the this unsupervised method. Okay, so a cluster is therefore connection of the object which are similar between them and they are dissimilar to the object belong to the another cluster. So suppose you have classified the image, so there is a group you have seen there is a group and there is a group. Okay, after that what happened? Suppose this is water body, this is vegetation, this is field, field up, this is suppose cropland. Okay, cropland. So according to after that grouping the pixel by their uniformity. So step 1, computer proximity matrix containing the distance between each pair of patterns, that each patterns as a cluster. So what happened? So suppose they have at first calculate the distance. Suppose this is the central value of the pixel. Okay, so through the center value of the pixel, they have at first find the distance. Okay, find the distance by the mean, median, mode, different type of. Then he merge these two cluster into one cluster. Okay, then go to the next question. What is are the error that cannot be eliminated using differential GNSS technique? 1. Multipath error, ionosphere error, ephemeris error, tropospheric error. What is the error that cannot be eliminated using differential GNSS technique? Keep answering everyone. Okay. Only yes, multipath error. Okay. Only if carbon is when the answer is B. Only one. Only one is multipath error. Let's discuss. Okay. Why? Uh, what is are the error that cannot be eliminated using differential GNSS technique? Okay. So at first, please tell me what is the differential GNSS technique? GNSS technique. What is the differential GNSS technique? Multipath error, ionosphere error, ephemeris error, tropospheric error. Okay. Yes, yes. Either only B. Multipath error. Because all about know that what is the multipath error? So multipath error is occurring due to the disturbance of the signal. Why disturbance this signal? Suppose you have sitting a closed room. Okay. Suppose Saitaran sitting a closed room in this side of the room. Okay. In her bedtime. And Saitaran want to send her live location or current location to your friend like a Ankit. So what happened whenever Saitarun open the phone? What happened? Now, at first, initially, in the point is here, either here, like a 10-meter equation, 10-meter accuracy. Okay, that means now Saitarun if sitting in this area, they have created a 10-meter radius zone. Okay, so in the 10-meter radius zone, site may be anywhere is Saitarun setting, and so that's why it cannot get the current location. So you have facing whenever you have going to the high altitude building. Okay, that time the multipath error is occurring. Why multipath occurring? Now suppose a satellite signal transmitted the GPS signal. Okay, after that hitting the building, then go to the receiver. Okay, so suppose receiver emit the signal again at first going to the hitting this building again. So there is the multipath error. Multipath. Okay, so in ephemeris error, a difference between the expected and actual orbital position of a GPS satellite. Okay, reduce user accuracy. The influence extent is excited by the precision of a broadcast from the control station upload. Yes, जो एफिमेरिस एरर है वो तो हम एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. कहाँ से कर सकते हैं? इन द जीपीएस देयर इज द 3 सेगमेंट. वन इज यूजर, another is control and phase. ओके, तो कंट्रोल स्टेशन से हम ये एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं एक्सपेक्टेड एक्चुअल एंड ऑर्बिटल पोजीशन. तो सपोज what is suppose a GPS orbital period is like this. Sorry. Okay. So this is the orbital period. Okay. So this is shifted here also or here also. This is be by the control station. Okay. Calculate the range error or RE when given time offset is 2 microseconds. Anyone? Calculate the range error or RE when given the time offset is 2 microseconds. Anyone? Calculate the range error. Tell me. Answer. मुझे आंसर बताओ सारे लोग. What is the answer? Yes, distance equal to c into t. We know. But what is the answer? Yes, the 600 meter. Why 600 meter? Anyone? Anyone? Because we know, okay, speed of the light, how much? Speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या पूछा? 2 microsecond. Anyone can tell me 2 microsecond equal to how much? Can anyone tell me 2 microsecond equal to how much? Yes, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light. Okay. So, how to calculate this equation? Yes, Tarun already D equal to C into T. Okay. So, distance equal to C into T. C means, yes, 2 into C here, C is speed of the light 3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, here time is how much? 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, that times you have get the answer. A supervised classification method in remote sensing would essentially require prior knowledge of the ground features, several temporal images, selection of homogeneous training sets, capability analysis. MSQ type. This question is MSQ. Okay. Supervised classification method in remote sensing would essentially require a prior knowledge of the ground features. Okay. Several temporal images, selection of homogeneous training set, capability analysis. Okay. 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 Yes, those are answer A and C is the right. Okay, option A and not B, not D. Okay, there is a some wrong. Prior knowledge of the ground feature means in the supervised classification method in remote sensing, several temporal images. Those are answer B. Whose are answer B? Arvind, why? Several temporal images means to supervise classification you need to perform different type of image. I am not asking you need to the multi-temporal images, or in supervised classification or remote sensing would be essential require one image, that is sufficient. Why you need to several temporal images? Several temporal images we are using whenever we have analyzing spatio-temporal analysis of any object. Okay, that times we need the several multi-temporal images. So why need to the prior knowledge of the ground feature? Because in a supervised classification, at first you need to create a training data set. If you don't know what is the image, suppose I am going to this question, this image, okay, this image. So you don't know about the feature. Okay, what is this? This is vegetation. All about, this is the maybe vegetation or maybe cropland. Okay, so if you going here, this is the cropland, this is the built up area, this is maybe water body. Okay, so this is built up everything. So this is maybe a road, a canal. So how do you know? That's why you need to the proper ground feature about this. Okay, higher knowledge of the ground feature, then selection of homogeneous training set. Homogeneous means, now suppose you need to create homogeneous, like a in the supervised classification there is a some pixel, here is the water body, grassland, everything is there. So there is a pixel type, just that time you need to select those pixel are only water body, those pixel are only grassland, those pixel only are vegetation. Okay, so that's why option A and C. Ravani, why option this capability analysis? In supervised computer, why you know the separability analysis? How you know the separability analysis? Separability analysis doing in unsupervised classification. Okay, at first classify the image, after that grouping the pixel. So in the unsupervised classification you don't need the selection of homogeneous training set. Okay, but you know the prior knowledge of the image feature. So now go to the image classification method. So supervised user expert define area of no vegetation type, no training area, to tune the parameters of classification algorithm. Algorithm then automatically identify and labels areas similar to the training set. Algorithm then automatically identify the labels area of similar training data set. So suppose this is a image. Okay. After that classify what you say. Now there is the same like a cropland. These are the same feature. Okay. And those are the built up or phylloland. This is the grouping pixel. In unsupervised classification, user classification algorithm to assign pixel into one of number user specific class group. Interpreted assign is the group of the pixel value corresponding to the land cover classes. Okay. So what is the main difference if you see the supervised classification data and unsupervised classification data? So if you supervise classification, you have said a training data here, training data here, training data here. It is betterly classified, but unsupervised you need to separability analysis. Okay. Then go to the next question. Visual interpretation of image depends upon swath width of image, scale of image, quality of image, experience of the interpreter. Visual interpretation of an image depends upon swath of image, quality of image, scale of image, experience of the interpreter. Okay. 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 Quality of. Hi Tarun, option D or B, quality of image or experience of interpreter. B and D, quality of image, experience of interpreter. Only B and D. Okay. So visual interpretation of an image depends upon swath width of the image. So do you know what is the swath? So this is the satellite path. This is called the swath. Okay, this is called the swath. Then okay, suppose B and D. Then scale of image. Okay, scale of image means large scale, small scale. Okay, so suppose you know there is a image. Okay, there is a image of India. Okay, if you prepare 1 is to 2 lakh 50,000. Okay, 2 lakh 50,000. So after that, this is suppose a small scale map 1 is to 2 lakh 50,000 you have prepared, and everyone want to mark your city. Mark your city. Okay, so how to mark your city? How to mark your city? Everyone, suppose you have prepared a map. आप एक A4 साइज पेपर में, ओके A4 साइज पेपर में इंडिया का मैप बनाया. ठीक है, इंडिया का मैप बनाया. सपोज एक मैप बनाया इंडिया का, उसमें जो अपने अपने सिटी है वो मार्क करना चाहते हो इस मैप में. इसका स्केल है 1:2,50,000. ओके, ठीक है. तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको सिटी को एक पॉइंट में दिखाना पड़ेगा, एक सिंगल पॉइंट में, बिकॉज the one you need on map, okay, 2,50,000 you need on ground. So that's why scale of image is required, because the scale is larger, like a 1 is to 1 million. Okay, 1 is to 1 million. So how to interpret it? That's why you need to the large scale, like a, if you interpret the any city 1 is to 20,000, okay, scale, or 1 is to 15,000. Okay, this is the small scale. If you remember, this is the small scale, and this is the large scale, and the 1 is to 2,50,000, 1 is to 10 million, 1 is to 2,000 lakh. This is all the small scale. Then quality of image, yes, it is depend on the quality of image also. Why it is need the quality of image? Anyone? The quality of image, suppose you have using only 2-bit data, 2-bit satellite data, 2-bit satellite data. Okay, 2-bit satellite data means suppose you have using a 2-bit satellite data, either white, suppose this is a satellite data 2-bit, okay, so either pixel, white or black. So suppose this is black, this is white, black, okay. Yes, yes. So quality of image also require, if number of bits are there, 16-bit image. So if you have visual image interpretation, a 16-bit image and 2-bit image, which image are better, 16-bit or 2-bit? Anyone? 16-bit obviously. Then experience of the interpreter. Suppose I don't know about the satellite image, what is satellite image, what it is. जस्ट मुझे एक सैटेलाइट इमेज दिया गया है और इसको इंटरप्रेट करके बताओ, क्या मैं बता सकता हूँ? नो, दैट्स व्हाई वी रिक्वायर द experience of interpreter, experience of interpreter. Okay, yeah, 16-bit. Just wait, ppt is not end. I again open the another ppt. Okay, just wait 3 minutes. Okay, tell me, which of the following triangle is ill conditions and should be avoided in triangulation survey? Tell me anyone. Okay, option B, Arya. Anyone? Okay, Saitarun, Savoni. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, Sapam. Anyone? Yes, everyone is the right. Okay. Yes, Purobi. Okay. Yes, yes, Saitarun. Should be greater than 30 and less than 120. This is the formula. Which of the following angle? So suppose why it is the ill condition, because you know this is the less than less than 120. Okay, again this is the greater than 120, this why ill condition. This is also yes, and 65 is the superior and 80. तो क्या होना चाहिए इल कंडीशन के लिए? ग्रेटर देन 30 होना चाहिए वैल्यू. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो 25 degree also ill condition. 25 degree also ill condition. अगर 30 डिग्री से कोई कम और 120 डिग्री से कोई ज्यादा है तो इसको बोला जाता है इल कंडीशन. ओके, यस. अगर लेस देन 30 का कोई डिग्री है, सपोज यहाँ पे 25 degree, this is the ill condition. 27 degree, ill condition. 28 degree, ill condition. 29, ill condition. Okay, again 29 degree, 55 minutes also ill condition, and greater than how much? Greater than 120. Okay, 120 means greater than 120 means like a 121 degree, 122 degree, anything. So here greater than 120 is 135 और less than 30 तो कोई भी नहीं है. So that's why option Q are the right. Then go to the next question. Which scale of the map is? What is the scale of the map if map number is 45B 14NE? 45B 14NE. Anyone? What is the scale of the map if map number is 45B 14NE? Anyone, please tell me. Fat. Keep answering. What is the scale? Okay, D. Anyone? Those are sitting in this class. Okay, C. Anyone? Sapam, Puravi, Ankit. Anyone? Those are sitting in this class. Yes. Arya Ravinder, Shravani, Sai Tarun and Shakti is right. Now 1:25,000. Those are sitting in this class who don't know about the toposite map numbering system, please raise your hand. Yes or no? Yes or no? Those are sitting in this class who know the toposite numbering system and who don't know about the numbering system. In previous class, I have broadly discussed, okay, about the numbering system. So what is, now here is the 73, okay. So 73 equal to 1:10 million seed. One is to 10 million seat. Again 73 divided into 16 part. Okay. A, E, 1, M, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So this seat is 4 degree into 4 degree or called million seat. Okay. So this seat is 1 degree into 1 degree seat, because 4 degree divided into the fourth part. Okay. So here scale is 1:2,50,000. Okay. 2,50,000. तो सपोज एट फर्स्ट गो 73 का ये छोटा सा पार्ट है. ओके, दिस इज 1 डिग्री एंड 1 डिग्री. तो इस बी का कितना पार्ट हो रहा है यहाँ पे? अगेन 16 पार्ट हो रहा है. ठीक है. तो पहले कितना था? ये 4 डिग्री था, 1 डिग्री था. अगर 1 डिग्री को मैंने 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करूँ तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? दिस इज द 15 मिनट इंटू 15 मिनट सीट. एक बॉक्स का कितना है? 15 मिनट. तो 0, 15 मिनट, 30 मिनट, 45 मिनट, 60 मिनट इक्वल टू 1 डिग्री. So then at first 73, okay, then B, then 73B का क्या है? 14 है. तो ठीक है, जो 15 मिनट इंटू 15 मिनट का सीट होता है वो होता है 1:50,000. ओके, 1:50,000. देन इस what is 15? Yes, 15 minute equal to 15 minute. Okay, so suppose इस 40 डिग्री सीट को मैंने डिवाइडेड किया कितना पार्ट में? 4 पार्ट में. ओके, दैट इज सपोज ये 14 का मैंने 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया. कितना था इनिशियली? 15 मिनट था. 15 मिनट था. तो क्या हो गया? अगर मैं 14 को डिवाइड करूं, दैट इज नॉर्थ वेस्ट, northeast, southeast, southwest. Okay, so here scale is 1:50,000. तो क्या हो जाएगा 0, 7 minute, 30 second and 15 minute. Again 0, 7 minute, 30 second and 15 second. 15 minute. Okay, yeah, 7 minute 30 second into 7 minute 30 second. So the scale is 1:25,000. Remember the numbering system. Okay, so 1:25,000. So 45, then B, then 14, then NE. Okay, it is easily described here. Maybe one question come from this section. Be careful, everyone. Okay, in general section part, that is 55. Every year one question come here in different type of question. I have already covered in the previous MCQ series, degree, minute. Okay. Clear, everyone? Clear? Clear, everyone? Then go to the next question. While measuring an angle Z, the following uncorrected observation were obtained. The most probable J of rounded nearest integer second will be. Anyone? Tomorrow class we have already discussed about this. How to calculate the please take it on your screenshot. Okay, and please let me know about your answer. Please take time. Please take a screenshot and in the comment box please let me the answer. Okay, I will the check answer after your comment. Okay, then go to the next question. Given histogram of a grayscale image, find the wrong statement. Given a histogram of a grayscale image, find the wrong statement. The statistic of the image can be computed from the histogram. The histogram conveys information about sharpness, edge in the image. The probability of finding a gray label at a random pixel can be estimated from histogram. Entropy of the image can be estimated from the histogram. Please tell me anyone. Which given histogram grayscale image find the wrong statement. Okay, Sakti. Anyone? In I think one or two class recently, I think 3 or 4 class, I have detailedly described about the histogram and eigenvalue, everything, and gamma value. Okay, gamma value. That time I have discussed about this. So the statistic of image can be computed from the histogram. Yes, is right. The probability of finding gray label at a random pixel can be estimated from histogram. Yes. Okay. The histogram conveys information about sharpness of edge in image. How to it is? The histogram convey information about sharpness of edge in image. How it is possible? Now sharpness and edge can be detected by the filter, a different type of kernel. Okay, and anotropy of image can be estimated from histogram. Yes, anotropy of image means histogram means what? Now there is two plot x and y. There is the reflectance value in percentage. There is the dn value. Okay, so suppose 8-bit image 0 to histogram. Okay, so what happened? Now, through the histogram, image can be estimated from entropy. Entropy means the higher value. Yes, we have find the higher value. Then go to the next question. So suppose there is a black and white grayscale image. If you see here, there is the value 0 to 256, 256, no, sorry, 255. Okay, so count is कितना पिक्सल है, mean value is 118, standard deviation mean 0, max तो what, so we can easily identify the statistic from the histogram. The probability of entropy. Okay, ordinal variable have no natural sequence. A natural sequence and the difference between the values quantified. Discrete classes but with an inherent order or sequence. A natural zero or real origin. Do you know this is come from GIS portion? Okay, GIS. There is the four scale: nominal, then ordinal, then ratio and interval. Intervals. No. Natural zero, real origin. Anyone? Option B is the right. Option B. Yes, option B is the right. Option B. No natural sequence. Do you know what is the nominal? Nominal means suppose you have telling about naming information, like you have a blood group O, AB, B plus, okay, O negative, B negative, A positive, A negative. This is all the nominal data or any name. Then ordinal. Suppose you are going to a restaurant. Okay, you have given the rating from 1 to 5. Okay, rating 1, rating 2, rating 3, rating 4. How you satisfy? Or in your class, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so the natural sequence and difference between the values quantified. That is right. Then go to the nominal, ordinal. Let's see, there is, yes. So measurement of geography very well. One is nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and ratio scale. Okay, so nominal scale is like a naming: Madan, Somdeep, Litha, Salini, anything. Then ordinal scale is like a rank: first, second, third, fourth. Okay, and then interval scale is there is no absolute zero. Interval scale में कभी भी जीरो नहीं हो सकता है. टेम्परेचर का भी जीरो हो सकता है, वो माइनस हो सकता है, -2 हो सकता है, -3 हो सकता है. दैट्स वाई ओके, दैट्स वाई दिट इज द इंटरवल स्केल. रेशियो स्केल क्या है? आवर्स. जैसे मुझे काम करना है 0 to 15 आवर्स, मुझे डेली पढ़ना है 0 to 12 आवर्स, मुझे पढ़ना है 0 to 8 आवर्स. तो आवर्स तो कभी माइनस में नहीं जाता है. तो दिस इज द what ratio scale, this is the interval scale. टेम्परेचर. ओके, बोलो रेनफॉल कभी जीरो हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है? मैं तीन वो बता रहा हूँ, दो इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ. वन इज एलिवेशन. एलिवेशन बताओ मुझे कौन सा स्केल होगा? नॉमिनल, ऑर्डिनल, इंटरवल. एंड अनदर इज रेनफॉल. रेनफॉल बताओ मुझे, रेनफॉल बताओ. एलिवेशन और रेनफॉल क्या हो सकता है मुझे बताओ. एलिवेशन कौन सा स्केल में होगा? एनीवन प्लीज टेल मी. एलिवेशन, नॉमिनल, ऑर्डिनल और इंटरवल और रेशियो स्केल. anyone anyone elevation and rainfall. Hi Vishal Patil, hello. Anyone can tell me which elevation interval or rainfall interval? Okay. Anyone? Okay, elevation interval, rainfall interval. मुझे कोई बताओ रेनफॉल माइनस में जा सकता है? रेनफॉल जीरो हो सकता है? रेनफॉल जीरो हो सकता है, ठीक है। अगर सुनो, ये ध्यान से सुन लो, ठीक है, ध्यान से सुन लो सारे। क्या होता है? देयर इज ए एब्सोल्यूट जीरो, सपोज, ठीक है। रेनफॉल, रेनफॉल कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? जीरो से स्टार्ट होगा। जीरो, 20, 50, 60, 70 मिलीमीटर रेनफॉल। रेनफॉल तो माइनस में नहीं जा सकता है। ओके, तो दिस इज द रेशियो स्केल। बट एलिवेशन क्या है? एलिवेशन माइनस में जा सकता है। यह जीरो है तो -10, -20, -30। MSL से नीचे जाओगे तो क्या होगा? माइनस में जाएगा। दैट्स वाई एलिवेशन इज इंटरवल स्केल and rainfall is ratio scale. So thank you everyone. This is the last question of this session. Okay. So tomorrow we will meet you at the same time. Okay. The same platform. So please share among your friends and your juniors all MCQ PDF I will be provide on the my Android application. Okay, within 1 day. Okay, maybe today midnight or tomorrow morning. Okay, all the MCQs PDF. So please download the Android application. Okay, everyone. Uh, Ankit, please discuss me on personally, okay? Because now the time is 10:35. I need to dinner, okay? After 10, mess will be closed. And, tomorrow I will discuss you, Ankit. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Okay, meet you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice session. Please share among your friends and please subscribe the session. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Now you may leave the session. My name is Santanu Ghosh. Okay, I am a recently as a PhD research scholar at IIT ISM Dhanbad in the Department of Environmental Science and Engineering. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay, today we will discuss about this question in MCQ practice 7, 10 question. Okay. No, channel name no. My not channel name. This is my the Android application. Okay, just wait 1 minute. I will share the link. Just 1 minute. I will share the my app links. Just 1 minute. Just one. You can type also remote sensing GIS home in the Play Store. You can find the app. Okay, remote sensing GIS home. Okay, thank you everyone. Good night. Thank you everyone. Okay, tomorrow we will meet you at okay, thank you Tarun. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good night everyone. Thank you. You may leave the session now. Thank you everyone.